Somebody's got the hiccups. I'm not surprised. You got the hiccups at least twice a day when I was pregnant with you. Oh, baby Emily's got the hiccups again.